Hey guys, it's Brooke. Welcome back to my channel, and today guys we are doing Bratz inspired look. This is not going to be really a tutorial because I don't know how to do makeup, but I kind of want to try it because it's fun and I love Bratz, and yeah, so there's not much else to explain. This is the look I'm doing. I like more of the dark look, not really like the natural look. I don't know, but we're just gonna do that. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get right into it, right?
Yes.
So guys, I was going to make a video of me carving a pumpkin, but I don't feel like doing it, so just letting y'all know. If it comes out, then it comes out, but if it doesn't come out, then
I'm just not doing it.
oh my god, my face is so red. So basically, you guys, I wanted to do like an emo, not really emo, just like a dark kind of look, and then I was like, you know what I'm really into? Like the Bratz kind of look, and I was like,
I'm just gonna do that, so
that's what I'm doing. As I was saying before, do not take this as a tutorial. Clearly, my face is so gross. Let's see if I get a sty tomorrow. My skin looks so gross with foundation. I'm gonna try to wipe some of it off because maybe there's too much. Maybe I caked too much. I wish I had like a cute headband that I could like put on, but I don't. Honestly, you guys, I just be making videos that I either want to watch or I just want to do all together. So okay guys, so in the look, she basically has like blue, and it looks like she just did like a sharper line of dark blue. She's light blue near her eyebrow. But like I said, I don't know how to do makeup, so we're just gonna see. I'm just gonna put a lot of blue on my eyes, and let's see what the frick happens. Okay, so I need a smaller brush, clearly. I kind of want to already start over. Just wipe it away. Just wipe it away. I'm gonna look a little more. My eyes are tearing. Why are my eyes tearing? Spread it out. And this is so patchy. This is so patchy. I literally don't have good makeup, guys, so just saying. We're gonna pack it more. Ow. Let's brush it out. Let's brush it out. It looks really similar. Does that just look like I got punched in my face? I got this, guys. No giving up on me. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this dark ass color. It might be too much, I don't know. And then this blue. And we're gonna go deeper over here. Now we're gonna brush this out. Yep, we're gonna do that motion. I know it looks really bad right now, but just wait, because it's gonna look worse. I literally can't do this. This one's like really dark compared to this one. But we're gonna keep going. Oh yeah. She has some sharp ass brows, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put some sharp ass brows in here, okay? Oh. I'm like so focused. I'm like, hold on. Hold on, this is getting intense. My eye is getting super itchy. Oh no. Why am I so ugly? Why does one brow always look like kinda okay? You know what? I don't care. As you guys can see, she's very like contoured and like very bronzed, and I don't have that. Okay, so as you guys can see, probably from when I talk, I kind of already have like dimension in my cheeks, which I don't know how because my face is so fat, but it's there. So I'm just gonna kind of try to accentuate that, you know? We're gonna start soft first, and then we're gonna go harder, you know? Maybe if I just brush like this, it'll just like blend into my cheeks. So we're not done yet. Ew, it sounds like I'm grating cheese. Like my skin is so nasty. It sounds like I'm grating cheese. Okay, so I learned like to make your forehead smaller, you gotta like put some on your forehead. So where's my forehead? Have you seen it? Now my favorite part. My jawline! Yeah! You have a jawline? I kind of have like a face. I should have did a transition shade. I don't know why I just put straight up blue on my eyes, but it's okay. Sorry, my eyes are like cut, just like my face. Now, if you guys didn't know, I cannot do eyeliner, so And especially I have really hooded eyes. Because like this is the thing. I don't like when things are near my eyes. So like as soon as something's near my eye, I'm like, so like as soon as I get close, even though I know I see it coming, it's me, my eyes still like,
oh my god, oh my god.
and I can't do it, so. See, like how do you do the inside? Like my eyes freaking out. Not bad for my first wing. Are you kidding? The other side is not gonna turn out the same. That's all I gotta say. These are definitely not gonna be the same. Oh god, I can't do this side. How do you do this? Oh, see, my eyes literally closed and it's still blinking. Why is it doing that? Literally look at my arms. What is this? Okay. So I'm starting to frick this one up, so I'm just gonna stop touching it right now. So let me curl the lashes that I don't have. I'm just gonna put eyeliner in the bottom waterline and then put mascara. I've literally been silent this whole time because I'm focusing so hard. And last but not least, we're gonna put some highlighter on. Are you freaking kidding me right now? So her lips basically have like a dark outline with like a lighter one in the middle, but I don't really have a dark lip liner. I just have like this pinky one, so we're just gonna do that. And these Bratz dolls got some poppin' ass lips, so I'm gonna overline my top lip. Not that much, but a little bit, so. I tried overlining as much as I could without looking like a clown, but I look like a clown, so I think I'm done. Am I done? This is as much as I'm doing. I think I did enough. I am done. I'm tired. I barely spoke throughout this whole thing because I literally was trying to focus so hard. Now, here's a little, I don't know, a montage. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I wish I could change a couple things, but that's what happens when you have crappy ass makeup, but it is what it is. I look crazy. I've never worn so much makeup on my face in my life. I never wear lipstick. This looks disgusting on me. Makes my teeth look so yellow as if they aren't yellow already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see all you beautiful people next time. Bye guys. Mwah.